At the beginning of 2018, Switchblade Jay White got an offer that no one would refuse.
Switchblade, welcome to the club.
Wow.
But Jay White did refuse.
News being made out of New Year's Dash. Wait a minute! What the hell? No! Blade Runner!
The Bullet Club wasn't the only faction who wanted the Switchblade.
キオスのメンバーを紹介したいと思います。メンバーの Jay White です。
But from the beginning, Jay White didn't seem to want to conform to the norms of his new faction.
But let me make this very clear. I'm doing this whole arrangement because it benefits me. It's going to help get me to where I want to be. But the day is going to come where me and you, our paths are going to cross. Come on, Rainmaker.
However, tentatively, Jay White was now in chaos, the faction led by the Rainmaker Okada and his manager of 6 years, the veteran Gato. Tensions grew throughout the year, and by the September Destruction in Beppu event, things seemed to be coming to a head in Chaos 8-man tag team action.
And no! Yoshihashi! Hang on a second. Watch out. Oh no! Jay White! Jay White just What did he say? He just blamed Yoshihashi.
Jay White is making no attempt to get on the same page as his teammates.
Left hand of God, right there. Well, obviously, Jay White and that strike set up for this. Pulp Friction, got him! Pulp Friction 2, it is over.
Jay White inexplicably blamed Okada for the loss.
I hope everyone else in Chaos was watching that, because that's who you want as your leader? Shocking.
でもやっぱりキオスはね、ちょっとこんなにみっともない部分を見せてしまいましたけども、まあ吉田さんもそうだし、J もそうだし、しっかりまた一つになって新日本プロレスを上へ上へと持っていきたいと思います。
6 nights later, at the sold-out Destruction in Kobe, after Okada lost a grueling match to his rival Tanahashi, Switchblade Jay White stabbed straight at the heart of Chaos.
God damn it, Jay! And now, not content with what he did to Tanahashi, he's going after the leader of Chaos. God damn it, Jay!
He's coming out here, Kevin. He's coming out here.
Hey, come on.
Hey.
Think about this. Give me that shit. I'm not giving you shit.
Take it easy, Rocky.
Give me that shit. I'm not giving you nothing.
Rocky, take it easy. Hey.
The hell is your problem? Hold on, it's Gato. Gato's coming down here. Somebody's got to stop Jay White.
There's nothing to do with you. There's nothing to do with you.
What the hell? What are you doing? Gato's just smashed Okada. What is this? And now Blade Runner.
You motherfucker.
God damn it! All the years you completely betrayed Okada!
Please with the Switchblade! New era!
What will it mean to breathe with the Switchblade? What will happen now that Gato and Switchblade Jay White have aligned in this new era?
Make sure you follow New Japan World
and all of New Japan's social media, because The Wire isn't the only new show coming to you this month. We've got the top 5, the recount, and more. Thanks for joining us.